people of that area should have the courage and the guts to mobilize themselves and reach out to local government. But right now, when the new local government structure that they get allocation directly from the
yes.
No, not passing
to the state anymore.
So when they have such, okay, now how would they explain not being able to fix that? So what they put in that need to do is they need to be strong in terms of mobilization of demanding better governance, grassroots development. That's the essence of local government. You understand? So now the government are going to have enough money to do stuff. So the people should, like I said, have the courage to mobilize themselves and then reach out to the local authorities to get that done. Because it's not befitting for human. It's not befitting for human.
It's very scary.
Walking around local government, you know, standing them to their toes and ensuring that they do what they're supposed to do. Because my fear is that if that is not done, local government will just easily abuse the office and then more money, make more money to steal. But that's not the essence of you being in power. It is about being responsible, about being accountable, being transparent.